Trims and door. We're talking about trims and door. Where are you going, buddy? I was just coming to say hello. So I'll head over now and check out all the vapor barrier and tuck tape. I love this place so much. I still can't believe it started as just an old rotten garage. Keys, okay. Another beautiful sunrise today. Look at this thing. Oh, Athens, Ohio. Here's how she stands today. Let's go check out upstairs. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Camp Aspen. My name's Brian. This is our channel. That's Lake Erie. Well, it's the first day of fall. I have missed all of you. What happened here? Video a day, 50 vlogs in 50 days all summer long. Back to school. I'm not complaining though. How have you been? What have you been up to? Have you enjoyed the content on this channel? I know a lot of you have. The subscribers are up, as are the views. And so the back to school season must be in full swing. And now that it's fall, we can certainly feel the temperature change kicking in over here. I mean, it's still summer temperatures. I think it was 90 degrees, 30 degrees Celsius yesterday, 90 Fahrenheit in the afternoon. But it's getting cool at night. But it's really nice to be able to open the windows and enjoy the sounds of Lake Erie's North Shore. If you're new around here, this is the Canadian side of Lake Erie. We're building not one, but two cabins. I call them cabins, former garage structures. They were just garages and we're converting them into tiny homes. Two of them right here on Lake Erie's North Shore. And as the temperatures begin to change, we have to start thinking about winter. So, little update on the other garage house down the road. The insulation is done. The drywall quote is here, as well as trim and doors. So, we blinked and, you know, we went from garage building lot in May to installing a heat source now in September. I'll be sure to take you over there today, I promise. Before the end of this video, we will head over to the garage house. Yeah, so all the insulation is in, all the vapor barrier is up. Place looks absolutely immaculate, spotless. Drywall will be starting next. I can't believe we're talking about trims and door. We're talking about trims and door. I can't believe we are talking about trim and doors already. Oh, Tom, where are you going, buddy? I was just coming to say hello. You be good girl. Okay, bye, Tom. All right, let's go. So, like I was saying, drywall time. Oh, look at the Ford, though. Isn't she looking good? Yeah, can't believe it. So I'll head over now and check out all the vapor barrier and tuck tape. Still not connected to services on the street, but they're coming. Let's go. Yeah, the Ford's back. I hope you saw one of our recent videos. We've been having some issue with this. She's a 2008 with very minimal kilometers and needed a new water pump, among other things, but that was the important one. But we're back and she's back. So let's go. We're extremely happy with the drywall quote. Peace of mind without having to mud and tape and someone else is doing it. Oh yeah, you cannot put a price on that. Well, we have a 35-second drive. Meet you there. Well, and just like that, through the magic of technology and YouTube, we have arrived. I love this place so much. I still can't believe it started as just an old rotten garage. Okay, let's go inside. Keys, okay. Another beautiful sunrise today. See it? Gorgeous. Well guys, I've been telling you about the American material on this build forever. Athens, Ohio. This used to belong to an American family because we live so close to the Detroit border. It was cheaper for them to bring material across. So, oh, here's another one. Ah, look at that. There's two. We gotta put these somewhere. This makes for a great story to tell. Okay. Oh, jeez. Pick them up. Don't break them. Let's go. Okay. Stay. Look at this thing. Wow. Alright, we're in the back door. Bear with me. I only have the one key. So I'll meet you at the front door. Welcome to camp. Here's how she stands today. Isn't she beautiful? This used to be a garage. Now it's patio living space. This is where we're putting in a mini split furnace up here on the wall. It's going to be AC and heat. This is our new electrical panel. All the insulation's done in the ceiling because that's a knee wall and it has to breathe. I'll take you upstairs and show you what I'm talking about. Clean up, everybody clean up. Well, I even tuck taped up there. Everything has been sealed. It was all inspected. It had to be inspected. And everything has passed. So the electrical has passed the inspection. The plumbing passed the inspection. The insulation passed. Time for drywall. If you're wondering why there's no insulation there or there, it's because there's a dormer upstairs. So that's livable space, and that's livable space. And this is the slope of the upstairs roof, and there's a knee wall, so it needs to breathe to the outside. That's why that's sealed and insulated that way, and that's living space, and that is sealed and insulated that way. Same thing over here on this side. Sealed on the exterior wall on the outside of the dormer, sealed that way, and sealed out the front. And everything's been turred and sealed down on the ground too. This is above the flood elevation, but you know, still nice to be precautionary and preventative with sealing this moisture and everything to the outside, as well as under this 2x4 here so it doesn't sit directly on the concrete. We have the vapor barrier plastic underneath, sealed at the ground all the way around. Okay, let's go check out upstairs. So the hot water tank is going to go here. That's what all these lines are for. This is all the water inlet and outlet. Well, the black is the gray water. The blue is obviously the water in. There's going to be a hot water tank sitting right there. Let's go upstairs. So I really like this design, no handrail, and then it's just wide open to this massive loft space up here. I mean, who doesn't want to live in this space? Come on, look, it's been spray foamed. Because this is a vaulted ceiling, this is separate from like this space. This gets spray foamed because it doesn't need to breathe. So the exterior of the roof is right there. But there's a ridge vent up here, so this needs to breathe. So the pink insulation is sitting down in the rafters. Same thing here. And same thing up here. So it can all breathe out the top, but not here. Because if you just put pink insulation on a vaulted ceiling, your roof will rot. It's just too hot and you'll trap moisture in there. That's why these parts are spray foamed. Or at least that's what I've been told. I'm not a roofer. I'm not an insulator. But it does make sense from an efficiency standpoint. It does make sense from a science standpoint in terms of moisture in those walls in a roof that doesn't breathe on 90+ degree days Fahrenheit. This is where the second head unit is going off the mini split downstairs. So heat and AC right above this bed in the primary loft space that faces Lake Erie. So when we come up the stairs, the drywall is finished behind the stairs, and this is what's going to be done next. So everything again has been taped nicely, and oh, I'm just so excited with how neat this is. taped up here so it can breathe. I saw this Moore vent here. This is what goes where your roof meets your wall to create some airflow and breathing room. So I don't see them exposed, but they must be behind here, which is always great to see. I wouldn't expect anything less. This crew has been super awesome. They actually did our first build a couple years ago, the place we live in now. That was the same crew that put the second story on that garage, and that's going to be the crew that does the garage right next door. So yeah, heat and AC, electrical heat and AC. Head unit on this wall. This is where you would put your bed, and lots of room here if you needed to do a +1 or a partition. It's absolutely massive. The other bathroom is directly below right here, so if you needed to put a bathroom in a future date, we could do that here. We chose not to this time. We opted to go with the living space because it's a cabin at the lake. We wanted to have options for at least 2 bedrooms for growing families or for a rental, just to keep our options open. We scrapped the bathroom upstairs for now. Because it's easier to put the bathroom in, you might disagree with me, but that was our logic. Let's create massive living space with a fully functional bathroom downstairs. And if for whatever reason folks need a toilet up here, they can put one in right here. All the pot lights are ready to get installed. There's going to be a ceiling fan in the middle of the room. This one here is a fire alarm by code. You need to have that hardwired on both levels of the building. And again, here on the slopey part, you'll notice the spray foam went all the way down. See, the knee wall stops here. So back in this space here, this is all breathable. This all goes out to the soffit and to the outside world. Spray foam goes down there, sealed. This can all breathe to here, can all breathe here, and then out the ridge vent that's here. Well guys, happy September the 21st. I hope you had a wicked awesome school startup. I hope you had a wicked awesome end to the official summer season. You wouldn't know it's fall, or soon to be fall, or the first day of fall here. It's going to be another gorgeous hot one on Lake Erie's North Shore. Well, I do want to apologize for the quality of that live stream I did down here. When you're filming it and broadcasting it, the video playback looks great. And then it gets uploaded, and then I preview it on the YouTubes after it's been streamed and recorded, and you can't see a bloody thing, because that's how great our services are out here. It's just pixelated and very triggering, because I grew up on dial-up internet. So, note to self, cannot live stream on cell services on this shoreline. Hello, Michigan. Hello, Ohio. Whew, that's nice. It's brisk, but not too shabby. Well, I also apologize for being so quiet in this space. We went so hard all summer and then, kind of ghosted. The content hit the channel every day, but it wasn't cabin build content. Things kind of slowed down around here after Labor Day long weekend, and I have found myself just in meeting after meeting after meeting after meeting. You create the snowball and you start to push it down the hill, and you bring all these other people along, and soon enough it's going so fast. It's moving so fast and so quickly that it's spiraling out of control. No, we have things under control. I've just been ridiculously busy trying to book new authors, new clients, some really big content creators, some heavy hitter influencers that do a lot of great things with outdoor education. And of course, as schools and districts open back up, our inbox got lit up with activities and professional development opportunities and book studies and workshops and conferences. We've already been invited to Winnipeg. We've already been invited to Texas. It's only the 3rd week of school. I'm not complaining though. When you do what you love what you do. Work is life, life is work, and here I am talking to you on this fine, fabulous Saturday morning. Oh guys, fall colors. The trees are starting to change. Mostly yellow still. Hint of red. Pulled the sea-doo bobbers in and got a lure. See the fishing boat? This way. Nope, this way. What a beautiful day. Well guys, I don't have the mic. I hope you can hear me over the wind. I'm gonna end this video here. Peace and love from Canada's most southern mainland shoreline. Give somebody close to you. Tell them you matter. Don't forget, you matter. See y'all on the next one.